say that in a recent governmental order of Karnataka, we have also said that don't investigate only up to 2008. Don't investigate only up to 2008. Please investigate up to 2010. That is the decision of the Karnataka government, including our period. And they are raising the question, why not CBI? The basic question is, how are you using CBI? How are you using CBI in Gujarat? How are you using CBI in Uttar Pradesh against Mulayam Singh Yadav? How are you using CBI in Bihar against Lalu Prasad Yadav? How are you using CBI
Vice Chairman, sir.
and Sushil Kumar?
The point, no, the point has been, the point has been already answered by the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Chidambaram, on Gujarat issue. This House is fully aware of the fact. It is on the question of, on the direction of the Supreme Court. CBI is investigating the case. It has been made clear, and they are making a political speech, forgetting everything.
Sir, the question is, the Honorable Supreme Court might have directed, but the CBI cannot be Congress Bureau of Investigation. It cannot be. It is unfortunate, sir. It is unfortunate. They are misusing the CBI against Miss Jayalalitha in Tamil Nadu also. This is the way they are misusing.
Please wind up. Please try to wind up.
Sir, what is there to conclude?
No, please conclude.
They are not allowing me
Please
to speak.
let him conclude. Let
No,
him
they are
conclude.
not allowing me to speak.
Let him conclude. Let him. No, I think we'll go on record. Anand Kumar, nothing will go on record. You have to speak.
Sir, how can it?
You speak.
Sir,
No, nothing will go on. Nothing will go on record.
sir, you know.
You are not casting aspersion on our government.
Narayan Samadhi,
You are casting
please,
aspersion on the Supreme Court itself. You are casting aspersion.
No, nothing will go on record. Except Anand Kumar,
Misusing CBI by our government, he has been mentioning that he is casting aspersion on the Supreme Court itself, because Supreme Court has directed it is monitoring the Gujarat case.
Sir, I don't know why our Parliamentary Affairs Minister is misleading the entire House. I have got highest
Trying to
respect
mislead
for
the
the
House.
Supreme
When
Court.
you mislead the House,
The
we have to
Bharatiya Janata
correct
Party
it.
respects the
It is
rule of
our,
law and
sir, it is our duty to correct the honorable member when he is misleading the House.
Our
Unfair.
for directing the use of CBI. Our only anguish, our only opposition is that the ruling party, the Congress party, cannot use
Please wind up. Please wind
the
up.
CBI, the Criminal Bureau of Investigation, for partisan purposes and political purposes. They cannot use that. That is the issue, sir.
Mr.
And they are
Devagowda,
doing
next.
it. They are doing it in every state.
Please conclude.
Sir, I am concluding. They are doing it in every state. Sir, the question is, the Karnataka state decided, the Karnataka state government decided that when there is a Lokayukta under the leadership of Sri
Please,
Santosh
please,
Hegde,
please,
Justice Santosh Hegde. Santosh Hegde, a most righteous former justice of the Honorable Supreme Court, his investigations will be more credible compared to CBI. CBI is manned by officers.
Please address chair. Please address chair.
CBI is manned by the officers who work under the behest of the Congress party and UPA and Congress government. Therefore, I am once again using all the energies at my command. I am telling you, sir, if they want to destabilize the federal structure of India, if they want to use the Criminal Bureau of Investigation as a Congress Bureau of Investigation, Bharatiya Janata Party or any non-Congress party is not ready to support them. We are not with CBI. We don't allow CBI. We are ready for any other investigation.
Okay, thank you.
Sir,
No, it
sir,
is.
No, I have not completed.
please.
Sir.
No.
Sir,
Please,
Lokayukta.
please wind up. You said you
I'm
were
winding up, sir.
Please wind
I
up.
am winding up. Sir, Lokayukta gave a report, in their interim report. I quote and unquote, sir. The Honorable Lokayukta in the report, the commissions and omissions of Sri N. Dharam Singh have resulted in transportation of illegally mined ore, causing revenue loss to the state to the extent of 23 crores, 22 lakhs, 11,850 rupees. When Dharam Singh was the chief minister, the Lokayukta says his commissions and omissions of the Honorable Chief Minister have resulted in transportation of illegally mined ore, causing revenue loss to the state to the extent of 23 crores, 22 lakhs, 11,850 rupees. By his commission and omissions, Sri N. Dharam Singh has committed misconduct and acted in a manner of unbecoming of a public servant of the class to which he belongs.
No,
Sir, this is the,
even the member
these are the
cannot
findings of the
make allegations.
Lokayukta.
The allegations cannot be recorded.
These are the
Allegations
findings
cannot be
of the
recorded. Let him,
Lokayukta.
you have to give the prior notice and then only you can make allegation. Even the member of the house, you have to give the prior. You are not given.
Sir, I am not alleging anything.
No,
Sir,
6
sorry.
o'clock now, 6 o'clock.
Sir, excuse me.
Now, please. No. It is now 6 o'clock. We still have 15 members yet to speak because many parties not yet to participate in the discussion. Therefore, if you all accept, we can extend out the house till the discussion is over. We are accepting all. We are extending. With the consent of the house, the time is extended till the discussion is over. Then afterwards, 0 hour will be taken over. Therefore, please try to wind up.
Sir, I am winding up.
Please wind up.
Sir, before winding up,
Let him finish.
sir, before winding up, I want to submit whatever I am quoting. They are not any press clippings. They are not any allegations. They are the finding of the Honorable Lokayukta of Karnataka. Therefore, I can definitely place them before you, sir. Sir.
Wind up, please.
Sir, therefore, the most unfortunate thing, when Sri Rameshwar Thakurji was the governor of Karnataka, Bansal Saab,
Please.
Honorable Governor of Karnataka, instead of allowing the Lokayukta to proceed against the then Chief Minister Sri Dharam Singh belonging to the Congress party, after Lokayukta's findings,
Please.
overruled the entire findings of those sections of the findings of the Honorable Lokayukta and saved Dharam Singh. This is how even the governor's office is being misused in Karnataka, sir.
Okay. Please.
Sir,
Next,
my
please.
only request to you, sir, and my only request to the entire house. No, therefore,
He
sir,
makes an allegation against the
That
member.
I told already. I told.
And you should be removed from record.
Already I told. Already I
sir,
told.
I am not making an allegation. I am only reading the excerpts from the Lokayukta's report. This
No,
is
yes.
Lokayukta report.
No, please.
When
please.
this is the Lokayukta report, I can read it
No,
out,
no, no.
read out from it, sir.
No.
Sir,
If at all, even your report, any allegation, you have to get the permission.
हाउस के मेंबर है उनका नाम लेने में क्या दिक्कत
No, you have to get permission from that.
जो हाउस के मेंबर नहीं है नाम नहीं ले लेकिन वो तो
No,
मेंबर है
this
उनके
is
नाम में क्या
this
दिक्कत
is that is not.
अभी कहाँ सो रहे हैं बुलाइए उनको
Please.
बुलाओ ना अभी बुलाओ
Devagowda, next, Devagowda.
no, sir, I have not
No,
completed.
please wind up this. Already you have taken 45.
My request
You have
is,
taken
sir,
45 minutes.
My request on behalf of Bharatiya Janata Party that the Bharatiya Janata Party led government under the leadership of Sri B.S. Yediyurappa in Karnataka has taken exemplary decision to stop the illegal iron ore mining, and no other state in the country, because mining, as our honorable mining minister knows, 50%, 25% comes from Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, and remaining 50% comes from more than the 10 states. in that Karnataka is also one major state, and we have taken a decision to ban the exports and only give leases to the value addition. When we have taken this exemplary decision, as assured by the Honorable Minister, Shri Handikji, let him bring a comprehensive bill to ban the exports.
Okay.
Let him bring a exemplary and comprehensive bill to accord permission only to the value addition of mining. The Bharatiya Janata Party is going to support.
Okay.
Bharatiya Janata Party per se is against illegal mining,
And
illegal of
export.
iron ore mining, and it is the responsibility of the union government in last 6 years. Because Basudeva Acharya ji,
No,
as well as
that's-
Bhakti Charan Das ji said, if at all there is a huge spurt in illegal iron ore mining, it is in last 6 years. And I want to remind the honorable ministers, in last 6 years it has been UPA 1, UPA 2, led by Shri Manmohan Singh ji and guided by Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji. Therefore, it is their responsibility to stop the illegal iron ore mining. In that effort, we are with them, we are with the country. Thank you very much, sir.
Shri H.D. Devagowda. Who's taking?